Hi, this is Dan Soy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the kitchen. I have another quick hot dog recipe. I want to bring you more hot dog recipes and ideas. This is more of an idea. This is a queso hot dog, the cheese queso one with green chili. So you're only going to need three things. You're going to need the hot dog rolls. You're going to need organic queso. And I got a small can here of mild chilies. If you want, you could use hot ones or jalapenos. And like, I'm going to start two hot dogs here. I took a knife, and you could see I cut the slots on there, so it'll give some dimensions and different look to the hot dogs. So this is really a quick recipe. Like, you just have to cook the hot dogs, and with this queso, you just have to put some in a container and microwave it. Then you could just pour it on top, and then just put the chilies on, and it makes a quick hot dog recipe. Good for game day and other times. Be back. Alright, and they are continuing to cook. You can see the grill marks on there. I forgot one thing. To add to this recipe and to this either lunch or snack thing, we're going to put on the side kettle queso spicy chips. These things are really good, and it's a good combination with the these hot dogs. So I forgot to put that in the video before, but we're gonna use this kettle. Alright, so while the hot dogs cook, here's that quesadilla. Here's that queso that cheese. So you're gonna add the cheese on, and like I said, you put those grill marks on, you can see how the hot dogs come out. So I'm gonna throw this cheese in for 50 seconds, and then we'll put the hot dogs in the roll, and we'll put the cheese on top, and then the chilies, and then you got your quick dogs. Alright, so their dogs are cooked. You can see the grill marks on there. If you want, you could put the cheese inside the roll and then on top of it, but it's up to you. Like here, I'm just going to put the hot dogs in the rolls, and I'm just going to top it with cheese, and then we're going to hit it up with chili. It makes for a really quick recipe. Great for game day or snacks or for the kids. Alright, so that cheese is done. The thing you're going to want to do is take that cheese and just put them on both dogs, and then we'll put the green chilies on top. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, we got the cheese on there. If you want it, you could just leave it as a cheese dog. But now we're going to take the chilies and just put it on top. Like I said, you could skip it if you want, or you could put salsa on top. But this is your cook, your hot dogs. Alright, Facebook and YouTube. There's the green chilies. You can see it. So you have the cheese, the queso cheese, and the chilies. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add these chips, like I said. So they'll make a good combination. Those queso chips, and you got the queso cheese on top. So let's just add that, and we're done. You can watch the game, hang out with the kids, do whatever you want. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, we added those queso chips, and it's perfect. You got your chips and your queso hot dogs with the chilies. Life couldn't be better. So thanks for visiting my channel. Please subscribe, hit the bell, so you can get 3 to 5 updates. I will see you Friday again. And you be safe, and I'll be bringing you more hot dog recipes and other recipes. It's summer, and I want to still bring some hamburgers and hot dog recipes. I think the next hot dog is going to be 2 different types of salsa hot dogs. Going with the Mexican theme. So see you soon. Enjoy the hot dog. And talk to you soon. Peace. Dan Soy.